Hey, what's up guys? I finally got most of my equipment in here. I do still have two 4x8 flood tables coming in. So once those get in, I'll make another update. But for now, I've got everything in that I have here. I have 4 of the 16-inch Hurricane oscillating fans. They're obviously wall mounted. I made sure to have plug-ins everywhere so that everything has a plug right there. I don't have to run cords except for the AC Infinities. Luckily, they give you some long ass cords, so I was able to run them all the way to here. That way I don't have to walk around my plants to see the displays later. But there's my T6 display. The T6 is a 10-speed, but with these, if you've never tried AC Infinity, I highly recommend it. They're just, man, the quality of them is amazing, and they're so quiet. This one, I've got a double screen on that vent. Try to keep any grass or any big shit out. A little bit of dust is going to get through, but I've got the T6 mounted to the wall also, and it's blowing through the AC Infinity carbon filter down there. So hopefully it doesn't get too dirty. I mean, if it lasts for 6 months, then it's paid for itself in my opinion. The S6, which is my newest one, is only an 8-speed, but it has this little, I don't know what you would call that really, little monitor display. Either way, little power source. It's running up here. That's my S6, the very top of the grow. That way it can get all the hot air and exhaust it out of there. I've got my dehumidifier. Gonna have to have that coming into spring and summer, absolutely. My air conditioner, of course. I plan to get a window unit later on, a heating and air window unit, but for right now, save myself, $600 to $1,000. This sucker still works great. And, oh yes, the stars of the show, my Sunplex. These are quantum strip fixtures, 8-bar. These are the G2 640 watts. They're on low right now. I just got them on to show y'all. I've been using this one here on low just for the little seedlings. I have some Blue Unicorn Punch there. I'm pheno hunting. They actually just started popping through. So hopefully we get some good ones there. Everybody who's growing them out, thank you. Everybody, they look so amazing. Lots of beautiful colors. I know that the terps on them are amazing. I do have a little space heater. It doesn't really, I don't use it much because this thing with the insulation and drywall, it works great. This beautiful floor. I have the lay under there, and it's a moisture barrier and a little bit of insulation too. I did get my 5-gallon plastic pots in. I like fabric pots, but they can tend to get a little messy, which I guess would have been all right since I got the flood tables, but I prefer plastic, honestly. And other than that, man, it's just a little bit of personal touch. My MD Kinesthetics from Mr. Ben Higby. My first photo contest I won with the beautiful E4 Mafia. Then my Daycon feeding chart. Oh, and I gotta have my clock. That's my Fast Buds clock. One of the few giveaways I won. It's 420 somewhere. That's it, guys. It's beautiful. I love it. I'm very happy with it. I hope you guys like it. Later.